Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health and doing very well. So today I am back again with another very stylish and stunning collection of dresses for you. So in this video I am going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of summer wears, floral midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of floral fabric midi dresses for ladies and girls. So you will be find out A-line style dresses, you will be find out belty style dresses, flare style dresses, layer style dresses, hem dresses and A-line style dresses. So if you are looking for latest collection and latest design ideas of midi dresses for your summer season, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. I hope so you will enjoy this video. You will love these designs of floral midi dresses for ladies and girls. So must watch this video till the end. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. You will carry these styles of midi dresses for your party wears, for your casual wears, even you will get new ideas for your daily work wears. Different neck designs, different sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, sleeveless dress designs. You will be find out chiffon fabric dresses, georgette fabric dresses, cotton fabric dresses and silk fabric dress design ideas of midi dresses, nail and style dresses. I hope so dear ladies, dear girls, you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of dresses. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of summer seasons midi dresses, so then please dear ladies and girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of trending fashion ideas of dresses. So must share my video. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. You will get all the notifications of my videos. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section, how was this video, how was these designs of summer seasons floral midi dresses, midi skater dresses, A-line style dresses, casual wear dresses, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my channels, about my content and about my videos. Must share your opinions. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, summer season frock style dresses, midi dresses, skater dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, and for more designs. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye, and enjoy the video till the end.